The parking brake cable broke on the right hand side of my Toro Z4200 mower recently, and I got a replacement part that I ordered on the internet, and I couldn't find any videos of how to go about replacing it, so I thought I'd make one in hopes that it might help somebody else. So you can see I've taken the rear wheel off after jacking up the back of the frame of the mower, and then I've taken the right side console off. Star bit screws, one there, one there, and one there, and then this right hand side console will just kind of lift up. You need to take the fuel cap off and the little rubber deal below it there, and then you can lift it off. Just kind of set it to the side back here, and it should be fine there. Put the gas cap back on so you don't have gas fumes coming out of there or any danger while you work. Then there's a hole for you to put your star driver through, and you can loosen the piece that holds the cable up here. Right there, you can see I've got it backed out just a little bit, and you can see where if I can get this video and light in there properly. Come on, focus, phone. Yeah, you can see down there at the bottom, sorta. Yeah, there it is. There's a little wire poking up through there, and that mechanism from the bars that you drive the mower with moves that wire back and forth. And then that, if the cable's not broken, goes back down to here, which I have wired up so that I could finish my last mowing without that wheel being stuck. So what I'm going to do is lift this clip off of here, and then this is actually the cable that broke. I just wired it up there to keep this stopper off the gear down there. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'll take that off, the brake cable off, and I'll put the new one on there and run it up here, and hopefully be able to get it hooked in that little wire down there. Once you have that block with the star bit removed that holds the cable up here, this is where the cable connects to the bars you use to drive the mower. This gear that's driven by it moves it back and forth. And once you have that block disconnected, you should be able just to kind of push down on that block and then pull this right out of there. Popped right out. This right here holds the back end of the outside part of the cable, so you can squeeze that with a pair of pliers to get the little ears on there to go inside the hole, so you can get that out. Here's the new cable that I ordered next to the old one that broke. I'll get in here closer and you can see the part number on the new cable. It matched what was in the Toro parts diagram, so I knew it should work for this mower. I don't think the old one had. Oh, there we go. It does have it on there. And they match, so that's great. I'm inserting the cable from the front here. Ran it through there past where that block will screw on behind this stuff, and then the new inner part of the cable through the hole back there. Now that I got the cable routed through there, I'm gonna see if I can get this hooked up in here with a pair of needle nose pliers. Make it easier to get up in there. There we go. So I just pushed in on the back of the cable to kind of bend it up so that that'd go through the hole. Now, next I'll screw that block back on there where it goes. It's upside down here. Flat part goes down and the pointy part goes up. Now I've got the cable routed back through there. A little block that holds it up there. The screw back in it. It's still connected to the bars. So if I move the bars in and out, you can see it pushes that cable back and forth. And now I should just need to put this back onto that deal. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. And then put this clip back over the top to hold it on there. There we go. Let's see if it works. Hooray!